Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It is me, the Fairy Strokes. I'm back to give you some hair magic. Yeah, hair magic. Welcome back. Well, come back. Okay, welcome back. So today, as you can see from the title, you know what I do it. But first of all, those braids of mine are super ugly. I know. Don't come for me. Like, I am in the forever ever braid struggling squad. Like, I can do every other thing when it comes to hair, wig, whatever, but when it comes to braiding hair, I'm the worst of them all. So as you see on my client's head, on my friend's head actually, the braids are super ugly, but we're gonna make it work. And thank God for crochet braids, because the braid doesn't have to be as cute as far as you have a cute hair covering your ugly braids. You can make it work. So in front it's just a regular braiding pattern. In front it's like 8 braid, at the back it's 5. That's because at the side 2 braids are intertwined to form one at the end, and same for the middle. So the hair I'm using today, I'm going to share a link to that hair in the description box, but it's just a regular coily crochet braid. So it is detangled, or would I say detached, for at least, I say at least because I think I split most of them for like 6 times or more, and we didn't cut it. We wanted this long, full, lush wig, natural wig feeling, so we didn't cut it. So you understand now, as in there's too much crochet in the world now, so you understand the drill. But just for posterity's sake and for this video's sake, we just explain it one more time. So you put the pin through your hair, you hook on your extension, you close the lash hook, you pull through, leaving the loop of the extension open, and then you pull through the other 2 ends at the other side of the hair through the loop. Does that make sense? I hope it does. But that is just the basic of crochet, and then we're just going to repeat that until we reach the front. So I'm just going to allow you watch why and what I'm doing while I try to keep you entertained. Anyway guys, thank you so much for your love. I must say, you guys are the best. Like, the love I have received for a small YouTuber is great. It's so great. So thank you guys for that. And by the way, remember to comment down below the kind of stuff you want me to do regarding crochet, because when it comes to crochet, I am like really into it. Like, I can do and undo with crochet. So any kind of things you would like to see on my channel, just comment down below. That is how we connect here and how we grow. And guys, come on, stalk me on social media. Like, I know I'm not so active on social media, but you guys should stalk me once in a while. That would be really good. Okay, so I think we are approaching the front. So as we're approaching the front, I'm going to like explain the layering process. So while you're crocheting, you leave like a thumb spacing. Does that make sense? Just like a thumb spacing for each gap on the crochet. And then when you get to the next braid, which is on top of the one we just finished, you layer the crochet on top of that. What I mean is that in between 2 crochet braids on top, that's where you put a new one, so that the new one on top covers the gap on the bottom. And then you repeat the same process for other braids. I don't know if that makes sense, but guys, forgive me. Like, I'm not the best teacher, but I'm trying. Okay, I'm trying. Give me some break. So that's it. Anyway, we're gonna proceed the layering process all around the hair. Actually, this we're supposed to use 3 packs, but we ended up using 2, and I wouldn't say and a half, because the hair left is a lot. I have plans to use it to do a ponytail later on, but I would say 2 and 5 strands. Yeah, 2 and 5 strands, because I still have like 12 strands left, and that will definitely do me sweet later on. Sorry, crochet ponytail. So guys, now in front is the undisputed invisible pattern. Some people say it's not necessary, you can do that. That's true, but I do like to do it for a very good and Vixen ponytail. Sorry, Vixen crochet, because for someone like me who likes to wear my hair in different ways, different style, I need that invisible stuff. So in all the perimeters, like the front, I did the invisible. In the parting, the two center side parting and the center parting, I did the invisible crochet. So invisible crochet is just that instead of pulling through the loop both ends, you pull just one end. So when you loop one end, the other end just covers it, making it look as if the hair is growing from your roots, like it's your own hair follicles. Those invisible things are really cute. You can actually create magic with invisible crochet. I'm not here to argue with other YouTubers, but for me it works and it's so beautiful. Like, it's so beautiful. So that's our hair.
Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you, I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there, 'cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see? After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we've grown stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me, 'cause I still think you're perfect, perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of.
And when we're done with our hair, we're just gonna add some finishing touches. So I went ahead and trimmed the hair, and then I think I put on some spray and some oil and shine, olive oil and shine, and then I just used some edge control to do some swoops on her edges to make it look presentable. And then my girl was ready to go. She has taken a lot of pictures, but she never sent me the pictures. So the little I took that day is what I'm gonna use in this video for you guys. But anyway guys, that is literally it for this video. I think I cannot talk faster than the video itself, but that's just it for this video. Guys, thank you for all your love, thank you for your subscription, thank you for your comment, thank you for everything. Thank you so much. Remember, you are blessed. You are definitely blessed. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.
Time, let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see?